penguins looking for a partner set themselves apart and start to display.
The National Weather Service in Traverse City has issued a tornado warning for Grand Traverse County until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10 a.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Garfield Township, or near the Grand Traverse Mall and moving towards Traverse City at 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Garfield Township. Traverse City, take cover now. Move into an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.